Wow. After 15 months, yes, after 15 months, Luna have now finally hit over 1% burn of the supply, of the total supply. Terra Classic now have destroyed 70,449,384,439 Terra Classic coins has been destroyed so far, which amount to 1.01% of Terra Classic LLC. 70 billion bond, or let's say 70.4 billion bond. Can we say Luna really achieved a lot or not? The truth is, no, they didn't achieve much in the point of Terra. We are talking about 15 months. A coin with 6.8 trillion. And in 15 months, they are able to burn 70 billion. That means in the next 15 years, they might end up burning just 700 billion coins, not even up to 1 trillion or maximum 1 trillion coins in the next 15 years. So how long will it take Terra Classic to destroy at least 5 trillion coins? We are talking about almost 75 years. If it is based on these statistics, if it is based on the current burning, it will take Luna over 100 years to destroy Terra Classic supply. It will take Terra Classic over 100 years. So, you see, it is definitely difficult. So the 70 billion burn is nothing. Yes, it is nothing. What Luna needs right now mostly is market cap and trading volume. If they can achieve high trading volume, if they can attract high investors, companies that invest on Terra Classic, companies that can invest millions of dollars, Wells or other financial institutions, other trading companies, if they can attract Terra Classic communities to engage in the burning, to trade, it will help Luna to gain more. Without that, I don't think the burning can do the magic we have been looking for. But there's still hope if Luna can really attract and start massively burn. Or the top holders or the founders should burn the remaining supply, which is about almost 1 trillion. Then they can also offer to burn 10 to 20% of their holding. This is the only two things possible to change the direction of Terra Classic. This is the only two things that can really change the future of Terra Classic. Without it, I don't think Luna can do much. But in this, please kindly note, this is not a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decisions.